In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create smoke in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll be able to add convincing wisps of smoke to any image using built-in tools, while keeping your edits clean and easy to adjust. First, open Affinity Photo with the image you want to enhance. We'll keep all of our smoke work separate from the original, so head over to the Layers panel on the right and click your image layer to make sure it's selected. At the top, click Pixel to work in the painting workspace, then create a new layer. This gives you a fresh canvas above your photo where the smoke will live, so you can edit or remove it at any time without affecting the base image. Name this new layer Smoke. Clear naming helps a ton once you start stacking effects, and it keeps your workflow organized. Next, confirm you're in pixel view at the top so you can paint and see your results accurately while you work. Open the Brushes panel and browse to the Texture category. Here, choose a smoke effect brush. These textured brushes are designed to mimic soft, airy edges. Before you paint, take a moment to adjust the brush size to match your scene. Larger for billowy clouds, smaller for delicate wisps. You can also refine spacing and dynamics if you want subtler, more natural variation as you stroke. Now, set your color to pure white. Smoke typically reads best in white or near white, especially over darker areas. With your smoke layer active, begin painting into the image. Use gentle overlapping strokes, building up gradually rather than laying it down all at once. If something looks too strong, undo and repaint with a lighter touch or a slightly smaller brush. Follow the natural flow of your scene. Let the smoke taper as it rises and keep edges soft so it blends believably. That's it. You opened your image, created a dedicated pixel layer named Smoke, confirmed pixel view, chose a smoke texture brush, set the color to white, and painted an atmospheric, realistic smoke. Save your work and enjoy the added mood and depth in your photo.